Well, hello there. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get organized with bookmarks. And so I just love this feature on Google Chrome. It actually will help you get organized, remove distractions, but keep all of the sites that you love to visit right at your fingertips. It just won't stand in the way of you doing the income producing activities that you actually need to do for your business. So let's get right to it. I'm going to share my screen. And you'll go to Google, right? This is a Google app. And so you'll go to Google and you'll go up to these three dots in the top upper right corner, and you're going to click on that. You'll go down to bookmarks, and another drop down will open up. And inside there, you're going to go to bookmark manager. But before I do that, I want to show you how. Make sure your show bookmarks bar is checked, because what that's going to do is it's going to give you all of the folders right up here in the taskbar. Okay, that's really, really important. So it's easy access for you. And so you can come down here to bookmark manager, click on that, and this is going to open up. You will probably open it up to a blank screen initially, but what you're going to do is come up here to these three dots, and you're going to create a new folder. And for this purpose, I will call this a test folder. I'm going to save it. You'll see that it got added into this section right here, and it also got added over here. Okay, so that is one of the first things that you're going to do. And then if you know what kind of folders you want, you can then just come over here and add another folder. You can add one for Google, you can add one for your coaching business, you can add one for personal business, for Facebook stuff, so social media. So I have one for social media, and I have everything in here: my YouTube, my Instagram, my Facebook, all of that stuff is right here, and my Zoom. So it all is going to open up the way that I want it to. So if I go to my YouTube channel, it's going to automatically open up to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be able to start working right away. I'm not going to have to go to Google and search YouTube and put in the password and log in and all of that stuff. It's going to be automatically coming here right away. Now, if I want to save that, or if you want to save this to your new test folder, okay, you're going to left click on this. And so here's where a mouse comes in really, really handy for you. You want to make sure that you're not trying to do this on your little mouse pad with your fingers. Yes, it can be done, but it's more frustrating, and it'll make you feel like, oh my God, it's not working and it's no good. I don't want you to feel that way. I want you to use a mouse so you can be effective, and you can really set this personal foundation piece into your business so that it will help you organize. And it's all about being organized and having less chaotic feelings, right? So in order to do that, you click on this little lock over here, left click on your mouse, and you're going to drag and drop it into that test folder. So now I have that in my test folder. So if I were to open up a new tab, just because I got rid of that old one, let me just do that. And I'm going to come over to this test folder, click on it, and I am going to open it. And it's going to open up right to where I want it to do, so I can start working right away. I also have, if I want to get into my Instagram, here's my Instagram. I'm going to be able to click on it, and it's going to open up to my Instagram. Okay, so it just really works very, very well for you to be able to get to wherever you need to go, without having all of those tabs open at the top of your taskbar, top of your computer. Those are distractions that are going to keep you from doing the work that you need to do, especially with social media tabs open, because you're going to see all those little notifications coming in, and you're going to get off of the track of what you are doing. I have tabs for podcasts that I like to look at. I have ebooks that I like to get to right away, that are going to help me out. I have my business site that is going to help me out and do that, and all of these different sites that help me do that. So Going back to the bookmark manager tab, okay, the three little dots over there, and then just click bookmark and then click bookmark manager. You're going to have all of these here. What you can see, the difference between these here and on the left-hand side is that you'll see over here, you can see your subfolders that are inside here. So my doTERRA folder has two subfolders. One of them is the doTERRA affiliates, which I'm a part of. I want to have that information at my fingertips when I need it. I don't want to have to go searching for it and get frustrated because I can't find it in all of my, my folders on my computer. This helps me keep this front and center. Now, you're not going to put everything in here. You're going to put the things that you really need to get to right off the top of the bat. And then inside here, so if I click on Google, I can actually go in here and rearrange these. I can move these up and down, right? And I can change that. If I wanted to take this article and put it in somewhere over here, maybe it doesn't belong here, maybe it belongs in the health website, I can just left click and drag and drop it over there into that folder. So you can also do that and bring it up here and drag it into a different folder that way as well. And if I was in here, I can definitely take this out of there and drag it down in here as well. So different ways for you to work on your bookmark manager. Really easy. Have the things that you need at your fingertips. If you want to change a name, so if I come into this and I want to change the name of this folder or this document, I can just come in here and test it and say reset, right? And it will change here, but it'll also change up here. And if I go into this, and here's my YouTube, if I want to edit this, you're going to have the URL right here, but maybe I just don't want all this in here. Maybe I just wanted to say YouTube. Okay, I can change the name of it right here. And now it just says YouTube. Very easy for me to come in here, know it's my YouTube channel, and know that that's where I'm going to go if I need to get on YouTube. It's already logged in. You can do this for your bills and have them already logged in. You can do this for any site that you have. Go log in. So my Zoom account, if I go to my social media and I go to Zoom, it's going to be already logged in, ready to go. Okay, so that's what I love about it. And that's the good thing about having it be organized and help you get organized in your business, in your day-to-day planning, to get rid of all of the distractions that keep you from really being productive throughout your day. So I hope this was helpful for you. It takes a little time to set up all the sites that you like, but if you create the folders, which is what I suggest doing first, go in and create one for Google, create one for your coaching business, create one for personal business, create one for, Google. So all of your stuff is in there. And whatever else you think you need. And then as you're opening up different sites that you go to, once you're logged into those sites, then you can actually just slide them into the drag and drop into those folders right at the top of the screen. And you're going to start getting organized right away. And then it's just remembering that they're there so that you can actually get to them really, really quick. I hope this had a lot of value for you. I hope that it helps you in your business get organized. Please comment below, give me a share, a like, a little thumbs up, and please subscribe so that you can come back and get more videos like this. Okay, bye for now. Have a great day. See you in the next video.